Whoa, what do we have here? A nice tenderloin, and the best part of it is it's in nature. Beautiful scenery, beautiful place, and beautiful atmosphere. Seasoning together this tenderloin, cutting it nicely. Okay, guys, don't forget to follow. Doesn't help to press the likes. Now this is looking great already. And you put it in skewers. Ooh, my favorite. Now we're making some buns, bread. What's going on? Okay, some salad. Aha, this looks amazing. Wow, look at that. Ooh, baby. Oh, making some wraps, eh? Nice, beautiful. Give me two of those, please.